Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add in a bio to your Roblox account profile. So go to the more section to the left side of your screen here and just wait for it to load. Then you are going to go to your profile page. Then you are going to select the edit profile section here. Under the about, you're going to say something about yourself. I'm just going to say I am a person. I don't know what to write. Who lived on Bloxburg. Whoops. There. Once you're done, you're just going to press save. The maximum is 1,000 characters, so just press save. And that is it. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!